Yes. Una sa tanan, mapasalamaton kayo ko sa paspas na aksyon sa Bureau of Immigration in coordination with our Philippine National Police, no, na na-apprehend nila tong Estonian vlogger na nagbinastos sa atong mga kababainhan, sa atong mga katawan din sa Dumaguete. So I thank them, no, sa paspas na aksyon. So just to give an update karon, kato si Sim Rosipo, usa ka Estonian national na usa ka vlogger, gidala na dito sa Manila because ang iyang visa di ay 7 days na na-expired and wala siya ka-renew. So he was tagged by the Bureau of Immigration as undesirable alien dinhi sa ato ang nasod. And also naa pa na yung mga proseso, no, and these government agencies are in preparation for his deportation balik dito sa Estonia. So again, I also thank my colleagues in the City Council for their support to declare this person as persona non grata in Dumaguete. Nakita man nato unsa ang mga contents niya online. And then kana pod, niingon di ay ang Bureau of Immigration na 1 year na din siyang under surveillance because dugay-dugay na gud ni iyang mga content. Unya ubay-ubay na gyud pod ang mga biktima. Well, in fact, since August last year nakadawat na ta og mga complaints against them, and also we assisted the victims indeed to go to the right government agencies. But now di namang gyud, no, di na gyud nato angay i-tolerate, di na gyud maagwanta kung unsa ka bastos iyang gibuhat. So that's why we pushed for the declaration of him as persona non grata of Dumaguete. So muna, I think once again the Bureau of Immigration, the Philippine National Police, and of course my colleagues in the City Council, led by Vice Mayor Stanislao Alviola.
So ang immigration may respond dahil sa imo ang
Yes. So the Bureau of Immigration, after they found out about the resolution that we passed declaring him as persona non grata in Dumaguete, they flew in dayon, no? The next day after they took the first flight, padulong din sa Dumaguete kay para ilang i-capture kato na Estonian vlogger who was residing at Barangay Cantile here in Dumaguete City. So they coordinated with our provincial PNP and then sila na mismo niadto dito sa Panimalay and then gikuha sila. So on the same day pod nagiani nila last Wednesday, they brought him to Manila. So ingon sila dito daw kuno siya gipriso